Use Udemy to grow your own email list. I am somebody who's been email marketing and list building since 2011. I absolutely love email marketing. And if you don't have an email list, I would absolutely recommend that you start one. All you need is a lead capture page and a lead magnet that entices your audience to subscribe to your newsletter. If you do have a list, you should probably start focusing on growing it as much as you can. Because not only is email marketing the best way to sell anything, but you can actually use Udemy to grow your list. You accomplish that by promoting your lead capture page inside of your Udemy bonus lecture. The best thing about your email list is that you own your email list, and it can never be taken away from you because you own your list. You can use your list now, 5 days from now, 5 weeks from now, and as long as your subscribers don't unsubscribe, 5 years from now. Your email list is the ultimate traffic machine. You can send traffic derived from hordes of frenzied, frothing at the mouth fans of yours who love your stuff. Be sure to promote your lead capture page in all of your Udemy courses. So use Udemy as a list building tool. Each and every time you publish a new Udemy course, make sure to have a bonus lecture and promote your lead capture page. That way, your efforts can snowball as you publish more and more courses. From here on out, turn everything that you do into a list building asset. Promote your lead capture page in your bonus lectures on Udemy. Promote your lead capture page in your Kindle books. Promote your lead capture page on Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Google+, Pinterest, LinkedIn, WordPress, Tumblr, and Blogger, and anywhere else that you can publish online. Promote your lead capture page prominently on all of your websites so you can build rapport with your audience and establish a following that can last a lifetime. The more subscribers on your list, the easier it becomes to sell more and more content. So develop a free giveaway you can use to lure subscribers to join your list. Always strive to grow your list. That's your top priority as an information marketer. And that's what you are if you publish on Udemy. You are an internet marketer and you're an information marketer. So grow your list everywhere you can and develop an email subscriber base which will allow you to promote your Udemy courses into perpetuity. And I have been email marketing and list building for so long now that it's second nature. So if you have any questions about email marketing and list building, feel free to ask, and I encourage you to do so. So if you have any questions about what type of lead magnet you could create, or what your lead capture page might look like, or even what my favorite autoresponder software is, just start a discussion in this course, and I'll reply to you super fast. Thanks so much for checking this out, and I will see you in the next lecture.